Sup, Kakyoin? We're married now. Since when? Since forever. Sounds legit. Hey everyone, I made breakfast. Not so fast. Dio, your next door neighbor. Since when were you our neighbor? Since forever. Sounds legit. Dio, your next door neighbor, have decided to become like a villain in a cereal commercial, and I'm going to steal your breakfast. Oh no! Not our breakfast! Zoarudo! Yum! Kakyoin makes delicious breakfast. I'm going to steal it. Oh no! Now I feel sick! Curse you, Kakyoin! So, I had another brilliant Joseph Joestar idea. Why don't I use Hermit Purple to spy on our two little lovebirds tonight? Go for it, dude! Why am I the voice of reason in this group? I'm Polnareff. Oh no! I saw exactly what I thought I would see. Oh no! Kakyoin, did you lay this egg? Dun dun dun! Probably. Look, the egg is hatching! Ta-da! Yay! I hate this child. I hate you too. This is my new great-grandson, Jotakujo. Jotaro and Kakyoin must have made that egg last night. Wait, how do you know so much about egg babies? Caesar? Did you lay this egg? Look at his little green stand. Let's call it, I don't really know. Soapy green. Yay! Wow, Jota, you're so cool. I can't believe you've aged 16 years in only 10 years. I still hate you. That's so cool how you have a kid from an egg. Okuyasu, did you lay this egg?